Greetings, this is the Instrument Sidekick video for the percussion, page 9, snare rudiment number 16, single paradiddle. Snare rudiment number 16, single paradiddle. All right, so what does this mean? Rudiments. Well, bells use scales. When you sing, you use scales. When you do flute, clarinet, those kind of things use scales. In snare drum playing, we have what's called rudiments. Now, rudiments are like scales. They are patterns that are common, that we have a specific way that you're supposed to play them, and order of how you hit the sticks, and the way that you hit the sticks is all very, very important with each of the rudiments that you need to practice and master. Now, there are 40 rudiments, okay? You're obviously not going to learn all those this year, okay? No one expects that. Snare rudiment number 16, so they are specifically ordered. Number 16 is what's called the single paradiddle. And it does need to be called the single paradiddle. There is a double paradiddle and a triple paradiddle and other kinds of paradiddles. Paradiddle is the name of this, and I'll explain why as we go. Let me first explain a few things over here. I mentioned a great site, a website that you could go to, and there's some great examples of professionals playing this rudiment, and something that'll keep the beat for you, giving you bronze level and silver medal and gold medal for how fast you can be able to do the pattern. So that's kind of a cool thing that I think is cool to do, trying to earn medals. All right. And then over here, it also mentions that passing this page is a white belt. Okay, so in percussion and in all the instruments, I keep track of everyone's levels using a martial arts belt system. Okay, so white belt would be the first belt. Okay, the first one to achieve. All right, so basically, this is an important test page, and being able to pass this page is very, very important and connects with it a belt level. So if you pass this page, you earn a belt, a white belt. All right, now, shorthand for when I'm writing what to do. So down here is actually what to do, but up here is explanation of what the shorthand means. All right, a capital R means that you need to play an accented right hit, okay? And an accented hit, a lot of people make this mistake. They think it means to hit harder, okay? So here's my right hand regular hit, and they'll think it means to hit harder, okay? No, that's not at all what an accent means. An accent means a higher stick height. So a regular stick height is there. An accented stick height is from there. Now, it does sound louder, but it's not louder because I hit the drum harder. It's louder because I hit from farther away from the drum. So it's important that most of the time when you're playing the drum that you don't accent. The accented notes, the ones that are a higher stick height, should stand out more and be different from the normal playing that you do. So normal playing should be... Okay, so normally it's down there, and an accented would be quite different and stand out more. Okay, now, so capital R stands for an accented right hand. So in other words, a higher stick height hitting with your right hand. Okay, lowercase r is for a regular right hand hit. Capital L is for an accented left hand hit, so at a higher stick height, and then a lowercase l for a regular hit. Okay, so regular hit should be really close to the drum, not hard at all. Okay, when you're hitting a real snare drum someday, you're going to find out it doesn't take a big hit to be loud enough to be heard over the entire band. Okay, and that's why we don't want you doing the accented hits all the time. That would really be too loud and kind of annoying, actually. All right, so accented, capitalized, R and L for right and left, and regular hits, R and L lowercase. All right, so down here, okay, I put underneath the accented notes this little symbol here, which means accent. Okay, so besides it being a capital R, I also put that little symbol there, which means accent, letting you know. So you need to start by an accented right hand, a regular hit with your left hand, and then 2 regular hits with your right hand. Okay? So an accented hit that switches to the other hand is where a para is. Para. Para. When you say the word para, you're accenting the first syllable and saying the second syllable normal. Para. So an accent and then the opposite stick is regular. Okay? Then you alternate back to the first stick and you do what we call a diddle, which is where you hit the same stick lightly twice. Diddle. This is called a paradiddle. Paradiddle. Para, accent and then switch. And then when you switch back, you diddle, keeping it the same hand. Okay? Now there's things, as I mentioned down here, that you need to do besides that. Okay? That will be explained shortly. Okay, so we have para, okay, then diddle in the same stick that you did the accent. Diddle, paradiddle, paradiddle. Okay, now the reason for a paradiddle is anytime you have a bunch of patterns of 4 notes in a row and the first one is an accented, that's what you do to prepare for the next one. While you're going diddle, you need to raise the other stick. So the stick height for the left hand in this case is going to raise up, ready for the next accent. So you don't just go paradiddle. While you're doing the diddle, you need to raise the other stick up. Paradiddle. Paradiddle. Then your next paradiddle is completely the opposite. Accented left hand, regular stick with your right hand. Para, para. And then the one that did the accent now does the diddle while you raise the other stick. Diddle is always raising the other stick. That's the purpose of a diddle. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Paradiddle, 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 paradiddle. Over and over. Not just as many times as you see on this page. You want to just keep doing paradiddles. Similar to when we did the rolls, we talked about roll step 1. I said just do that for like 5 or 10 minutes. Same thing with this. You want to set a timer and then just do it for 5 or 10 minutes. Focusing, not letting your eyes wander away, and focusing on your drum and really trying to get that pattern of the right hand hitting from a high stick height, but then staying low as you hit low with the next hand. And then when you come back, you hit the accented stick lightly a couple times while the other hand gets ready for the next accent. Left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right. Okay? Really work on that pattern. It is not easy. It is going to take a lot of practice. And it does come up a lot in music. All right? So very, very important thing to get used to. So have fun with it. I know it'll be frustrating probably at first, but I think you're going to find that it's very, very fun once you've got it down. I just like doing it all the time. I'm sitting there all the time, patting my lap. I like doing it. It's just fun. So I hope you do as well. Work on that. It's very, very important. And may the force be with you.